Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this really cool abstract thing, and I'm going to show you how to make the geometry nodes part of this. And if you want to make the materials afterwards, you can go on my Patreon and watch that. So here is the object rendering. So I'm just going to create a new project, and the first thing I'm going to do is just delete and re-add the cube, because I always do that. Sorry that my voice is a little weird. I'm kind of sick. But the first thing we're going to do is add a volume cube. So I've used this node a lot, and it's really fun because you can like make the mesh a texture. So I'm going to show you how to make that really fast. So we're going to go volume to mesh over here, and now is a cube, and we're going to add a noise texture and a color ramp because it's way better with a color ramp. So I'm going to put a color on the density and bring the black value up, and as you can see, we can see a 3D noise texture. So I'm going to put the scale way down, like something like this, and then the roughness down too, like the detail too, because I want it to be really smooth. So I'm going to just a little bit of scale, and then something like this I think is really cool, or a little bit less geometry. But now for the little stripes of this, what we're going to do is add a mix color node and put this at multiply. So now we're going to just remove this for now and add a wave texture, and this is going to go into another color ramp, and this color into the density. So it's really weird right now, like it's just one line too. So first we're going to change it, so we get the we need to see what value, like x, y, and z. So z will make the stripes this way, and the other ones make it vertical lines. So now we're going to come over here and put a lot more scale, like the value. I'll bring it up, and if you see it's kind of merging like it's right now, you can just bring the black up and it will work. So yeah, I think something like this might work. We can always change it after because that's geometry node. So again, I'm just going to now plug this into the p value and this into the density, and bring the factor up. So as you can see, it's working, and that's really cool. Something that you can do if you don't like this little fading off thing, like it gets a little bit pointy, so you can put a constant and bring this back. So now, as you can see, it's way better, at least in my opinion. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and now I'm going to go over here, and if your computer can handle it, you can put 64. It will look way better, but then it will mess up with this again. So I'm going to change it to get less. It's kind of weird, but I'm going to just plug this again and find the values that work best. So here 240 is what I use, like 0.040. So now, as you can see again, it's kind of weird. So what we can do is add a shade smooth, set shade smooth, and come over here and add the smooth modifier. I'm just going to bring this all the way up to 30, and as you can see, it's finally smooth. So the rest of the setup, if you want to put your own materials right now, you can just add a set material over here and then choose your material. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope this was useful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.